Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some spicy nacho crusted chicken tenders. First, you're going to want to get 4 chicken thighs. After that, you're going to want to cut the chicken thighs into 1.5-inch strips, as I've done here. After you finish with the chicken, get 4 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Then, whisk the eggs until combined. Now, we're going to prepare to dredge our chicken by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a dish. Add some salt. Then, add some pepper. Next, get your flaming hot nacho chips. As you can see here, I'm using Doritos. After you crush up your chips, assemble your stations for dredging the chicken. Next, add about 1 inch of vegetable oil to a pan. It's very important to wash your hands before this step. First, coat your chicken in the flour and shake off any excess flour. After the chicken is thoroughly coated in flour, add it into the egg wash and mix until the eggs are covering the chicken. Finally, add it into the flaming hot chip mixture and thoroughly coat it so that there is not 1 inch of chicken that isn't covered in flaming hot chips. After you finish coating your chicken, add it to the pan and lay the chicken away from you for safety reasons. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip the chicken. Repeat this for each strip and make sure to drain on a paper towel. Here we have the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.